How to use HubSpot for e-commerce strategies. In today's digital age, e-commerce has become a vital component of many businesses. With the right tools, companies can enhance their online presence, optimize customer relationships, and ultimately drive sales. One such versatile tool is HubSpot, which offers a range of features perfect for e-commerce strategies. First, HubSpot provides an all-in-one CRM that allows you to manage customer relationships seamlessly. With its user-friendly interface, you can easily track customer interactions, segment your audience, and personalize your marketing campaigns. This personalized approach can significantly improve customer retention and loyalty. Next, HubSpot's email marketing tools enable you to create tailored emails that resonate with your audience. By utilizing automation and segmentation, you can send targeted offers to specific groups, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Plus, HubSpot's analytics will help you measure the success of each campaign, allowing for continuous improvement. Additionally, HubSpot's social media management tools help you engage with your audience across various platforms. You can schedule posts, track performance, and respond to customer inquiries all from a single dashboard. This consistency in communication can build a stronger brand presence and enhance customer satisfaction. Moreover, HubSpot's content management system allows you to create and optimize a user-friendly online store. With features like SEO tools, landing page creation, and blogging capabilities, you can drive organic traffic to your site and convert visitors into customers. Remember, quality content can boost your visibility and authority in your niche. Lastly, integrating HubSpot with your e-commerce platform can streamline processes and enhance efficiency.